Hello, my name's Richard. Today I'm excited to talk to you about Awlgrip HDT, our newest and most exciting finish. For over 45 years, Awlgrip has been universally recognised and trusted within yacht coatings for our outstanding quality, our unbeatable finish, and our continuous innovation. When you see Awlgrip HDT, you will believe, like I do, that this is the new standard for yacht finishes. Yachts of all sizes have higher expectations and finishes have to withstand tougher challenges. We use the knowledge gained from creating world-class coatings to design Awlgrip HDT from the ground up. Awlgrip HDT is high gloss and mirror-like clarity with outstanding distinction of image and superior gloss retention. Durability. Awlgrip HDT combines the hardness and microscratch resistance with repairability. True colour. Awlgrip HDT provides truer, more consistent colour and a vast palette of colours to choose from. Awlgrip HDT comes in either a single stage or a clear coat with the use of Allcraft SE base coat. Both are 3-part polyurethanes, with the single stage being VOC compliant in all colours. Awlgrip HDT was designed for sustainability. Awlgrip HDT is available through distribution and is for professional use only. Awlgrip HDT fits right into our industry-leading systems for new builds and for maintenance and repair. We specifically designed and tested Awlgrip HDT for electrostatic spray application as well as conventional and reduced pressure spray applications. In addition, we have an Awlgrip HDT tips and tricks sheet available for applicators. On-site training is available, as is training through our YPACs, our yacht paint application centres. Awlgrip HDT is different in that it uses toners instead of tint bases for colour. This means we can do a wider array of colours, like a deeper black that we call extreme black. We have our 10 most popular colours produced at our factories, so we can maintain consistent supply and quality. All the Awlgrip finishes colours, including Awlgrip HDT, are available on mixitcloud.com, our global colour database, and can also be found via AllMatch, our newest colour measuring and searching tool that is easy to use. Yacht coatings can be applied in a wide range of temperatures, humidity and wind conditions. Therefore, Awlgrip HDT was submitted to exhaustive testing and offers different activators in the range to allow application in all kinds of weather conditions. Natural exposure and accelerated weathering techniques were also used to make sure that our product could withstand even the harshest environments. This approach resulted in our extended in-service performance and warranty that is now available on this product. 20 years ago, the captain of motor yacht Windrush worked as a crew member. The 117-foot vessel was needing a refit towards the end of 2018. The captain said, "We were told by the captain of another recently refitted vessel that Awlgrip had launched a new paint, Awlgrip HDT. And we're looking to test it." So we sat down with AkzoNobel, the applicator and the owner, and after just one conversation, everyone knew that Awlgrip HDT was the right product for us. The colour on motor yacht Windrush that you can see glistening in the photo is snow white. After being shown a test panel of Awlgrip HDT, the captain of Assault Weapon was excited to have it applied to the vessel and was equally delighted with the result. The captain says, "We sanded the boat, primed it with Awlgrip 545 and applied Awlgrip HDT. Everyone was amazed with how the boat shone. The colour you can see glistening in the photo is Aquamist." We believe that Awlgrip HDT is the future of top coats, and we can't wait for you to see the great results that it can achieve. For more information, contact your local Awlgrip dealer and head over to our website, awlgrip.com, and fill out a form so you can receive additional information tailored to your need.